So you're ready to request a quote, but you have questions and you're unsure about some of our terminology. We want to make it simple and easy at no cost to you. Just 2 steps. Email us your IKEA design. Send your design to info@switchstore.com. Put your name in the subject box and leave any notes if necessary. Or if you don't have an IKEA design, send us the drawings that you do have. Then in the form down below, send us your door design you've chosen from our styles page. If you are unsure of which style of door is going to give you the look you are after, attach several inspiration pictures from sites such as Houzz or Pinterest. We will be able to suggest doors from our collections that will be able to create the kitchen you are after.